What is myth? Why do myths are believed? Here are some myths about science which everyone still believes. 1. Humans only use 10% of their brain. The idea that humans only use 10% of their brains has been popularized by movies and self-help books, but it's far from the truth. In reality, brain scans have shown that we use virtually every part of our brain, even during simple tasks. Different areas of the brain are responsible for different functions, and they all work in concert to process information, control movements, and regulate bodily functions. The myth may have originated from early neurological studies, but modern neuroscience has debunked it. Every part of the brain has a known function, and damage to even small areas can have significant effects on cognition and behavior. 2. Sugar makes kids hyper. The belief that sugar causes hyperactivity in children is widespread, yet scientific studies have found no direct link between sugar consumption and increased hyperactivity. Research suggests that the excitement of events like birthday parties or holidays, where sugary treats are often consumed, is more likely to contribute to hyperactive behavior. In controlled studies where children consumed sugar without knowing it, no significant behavioral changes were observed. This myth persists partly because parents and caregivers tend to associate sugar with energetic environments, leading to a confirmation bias. 3. Goldfish have a 3-second memory. Many people believe that goldfish have a memory span of only 3 seconds, but this myth has been debunked through various studies. Research has shown that goldfish can remember things for months and are capable of learning tasks and recognizing patterns. For example, goldfish have been trained to navigate mazes and remember feeding times. Their ability to learn and remember is comparable to other animals, and these findings highlight the intelligence present in these often underestimated creatures. 4. Lightning never strikes the same place twice. The saying that lightning never strikes the same place twice is a common expression, but it doesn't hold true in reality. Lightning is naturally attracted to tall objects and high-risk areas, which means that it can strike the same place multiple times. For instance, the Empire State Building is struck by lightning about 23 times a year. The myth likely persists because people often misunderstand the nature of lightning and its preference for certain geographical features. Understanding this can help in planning better safety measures during storms. 5. Vaccines cause autism. The belief that vaccines cause autism is one of the most harmful myths in modern times. This misconception originated from a debunked study published in 1998, which has since been retracted. Extensive research over decades has shown no link between vaccines and autism. Vaccines are crucial for preventing deadly diseases, and spreading misinformation about them can lead to decreased vaccination rates and outbreaks of preventable illnesses. Health organizations worldwide continue to emphasize the safety and importance of vaccines in maintaining public health. 6. You swallow 8 spiders a year in your sleep. The idea that people swallow 8 spiders a year in their sleep is pure fiction. Spiders are unlikely to crawl into a human's mouth as they sleep, as they tend to avoid humans and the vibrations caused by breathing or snoring. This myth likely originated as a way to startle or amuse people, but has no basis in scientific fact. In reality, spiders are more interested in hunting their prey than exploring human orifices. This serves as a reminder of how easily bizarre and unfounded stories can spread. 7. The Great Wall of China is visible from space. The notion that the Great Wall of China is visible from space is a widespread myth, but it's not true. Although the wall is long, it's not wide enough to be distinctly visible to the naked eye from space. Astronauts have confirmed that they can see cities and large geographical features, but not the wall itself. This myth may have originated from the wall's fame and grandeur, leading people to assume it must be visible from great distances. Understanding the limitations of human vision and the vastness of space puts this myth into perspective. 8. Bulls hate the color red. Contrary to popular belief, bulls do not become enraged by the color red. In fact, bulls are colorblind to red and cannot distinguish it from other colors. The myth likely stems from the traditional use of a red cape in bullfighting, but it is the movement of the cape, not its color, that provokes the bull to charge. Bulls react to motion and threats, and the waving of the cape is what captures their attention. This myth highlights how cultural practices can lead to misunderstandings about animal behavior. 9. Cracking knuckles causes arthritis. Many people believe that cracking knuckles can lead to arthritis. Research has shown no connection between the two. The sound produced when cracking knuckles is due to gas bubbles popping in the synovial fluid around the joints. Studies have found that habitual knuckle cracking does not increase the risk of developing arthritis. While excessive cracking might cause temporary discomfort, it does not lead to long-term joint damage. This myth persists because of the unsettling sound and the mistaken belief that it indicates harm. 10. Humans evolved from monkeys. The idea that humans evolved directly from monkeys is a common misconception. In reality, humans and monkeys share a common ancestor from which both species have evolved along separate branches of the evolutionary tree. This misunderstanding often arises from oversimplified explanations of evolution. Humans are more closely related to great apes, like chimpanzees and gorillas, but even then, the evolutionary paths diverged millions of years ago. Understanding this helps clarify the complex and fascinating history of human evolution.